Leo, I brought you some food in case you're... You do eat, right?
Yes, Phoebe, I eat. How's Piper?
Oh, you know, she's dealing. I mean, it's not every day that you find out the guy you're seeing isn't human. Although in Piper's case...
I wish she didn't have to find out about me like this. You know, being with her broke the rules, but not being with her breaks my heart.
You know, Leo, it's not like we rush to tell you that we're witches. I think Piper understands about those little secrets that we have to keep.
Any word on Daisy?
Yes and no. Prue called. Andy thinks he found out where Daisy's staying. They're on their way there now. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh.
It's okay, I know it's bad.
I guess I need to work on my poker face a little bit, huh? You know, Leo, didn't you tell me that White Lighters had the ability to heal? Why can't you just...
No, my power is for others. I can't use it on myself.
You know, we just gotta get you better. Then you and Piper will have lots of time to talk about stuff when you're well.
Phoebe, I'm not gonna get better.
That's ridiculous, Leo. Of course you will. We just have to find something in the Book of Shadows.
No, the Dark Lighter's poison. It can't be reversed. It's meant to kill White Lighters. That's what it's doing. It's working its way through my system. It's just a matter of time.
How much time?
Not much. I'm gonna die, and there's nothing you can do about it. My power is ebbing. With it, my ability to cloak Daisy.
We're gonna save you both, Leo.
I have looked everywhere in this damn book for something, anything to help Leo, and I can't... What's that face? What's the matter?
Leo's in pretty bad shape, Piper. And he's getting worse.
I know, that's why I need to find an ointment or a cure or something.
Hey, you need to listen. This is really hard to say. But I think you need to hear it. I think that you need to learn to accept the possibility that maybe we're not supposed to save Leo. Maybe he's not our innocent. Maybe we're only meant to save Daisy.
We have to save him whether we're meant to or not.